Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add your card to Apple Wallet. And I will show you exactly as quick as possible how we can do this. So the first thing that we need to do is search for wallet and go to your wallet. Then right here, we need to click here on the plus icon. And then from here we go to debit or credit card, search for your bank, then click on credit card. And then from here, click on continue. Right now you need to scan your credit card. So right now we are scanning our credit card and now we do next. Then from here we fill in our security code and then now we do next. Then we need to agree the terms. And right now, if you can see, the card is added. So right now, if we do next or complete verification later, let's say we do complete verification later, you can see here that we just added a card in our wallet. So this is exactly how this works. And if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.